page 794, figure 1655 will be our first offset section, as we want to be able to show how our cutting plane can change direction and cut through the important features. Just to show how I created this, I made my sketch on the front. So I drew it out, applied my dimensions, made sure that my constraints all lined up. Then I extruded. You can see where the plane is in the center, so I went symmetric. My next sketch, I drew along the top, and included both features with the two holes and the cutout. I extruded through all. And the last step is adding in my fillets, which I believe are 1/2 inch, and I selected the 4 edges. So now I want to turn this into a sheet. I'll add in my next sheet, and the view that I'm going to show is my top. So insert, and again I called it an offset. Doesn't want me to select this again. Let's try this way. Just going to delete that view. There we go. So I'll switch to the top, change my scale. All right, so with a full section through this horizontal, you're going to notice that you're leaving out important features. You don't see the holes through. So you need to show these holes getting cut through. So what you do is you select the section, keep it on horizontal, make sure you have edit cutting line selected. And I'm going to start by dropping this in the center here. And now I'm going to move my cursor up a little bit, and I'll move it to the center of this hole. Now I could drop this piece right back to the center, bring my view in. What's happening here is we're creating this cutting plane that offsets to go through the important features. There's no visible line where that change happens. It just shows it as if it's one solid feature. I would make the adjustment here as well. Now I would have basic center line here. That's it. Remember, no hidden lines here. So this shows your important features, and that is your first offset section.